Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael Carbone. I'm a business and immigration attorney in Staten Island, New York. Today, I want to talk about nurse practitioners with less than 3,600 hours of practical experience who are looking to set up their own private practice and whether you can actually do that in the state of New York. Now, before I dive into this topic, if you have any questions or you want to start a conversation, please drop a comment below. Otherwise, if you'd like to set up a formal legal consultation with me, visit us at carboneattorneys.com. We have a button in the top right corner of our website. Click it, fill it out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So under the New York education law, nurse practitioners have the authority to diagnose illnesses and physical conditions, as well as provide therapeutic and corrective measures to their patients without direct physician supervision. This is great as this is under the independent practice theory, and it allows nurse practitioners to have autonomy and not have to operate under a physician or work under a physician to successfully operate their practices. Now, there is one caveat for nurse practitioners who have less than 3,600 hours of practical experience. And that's roughly a year and a half or so of practical experience. So when it comes to nurse practitioners looking to set up a practice, you can do this. So you actually can own your business as either a sole proprietor, a PLLC, or a PC, and you do not have to work under a physician or work in a physician's office. You can set up your own independent practice and operate independently. However, there are two requirements. So under the New York education law, nurse practitioners with under 3,600 hours of experience must practice following written practice protocols that are specific to their specialty area, and you must have a written collaboration agreement with a collaborating physician. So as a nurse practitioner, you undoubtedly will have a subspecialty. This can be family health, adult health, acute care, psychiatry, and there are written practice protocols that you are required to follow as you operate your independent practice. These written practice protocols provide a detailed standard of care of how you should treat your patients with regards to your subspecialty. Now, with regards to the written collaboration agreement, you obviously have to enter into this with a licensed physician that has specialties in your subspecialty. So what's included in this agreement? Some clauses include patient referral and consultation, how to deal with emergency absences of the nurse practitioner, and there can also be clauses that deal with the resolution of disputes. So most often, if there's a dispute about how to treat a patient between the nurse practitioner and the collaborating physician's opinion will supersede that of the nurse practitioner. And obviously, there are more provisions in these agreements. They're not overly complicated, but they are required if you do have under 3,600 hours of practical experience. And lastly, once you have that business set up, again, whether you go about being a sole proprietor or a PLLC or a PC, you do need to notify the education department, filing Form 4NP that provides a brief breakdown of the written practice protocols that you'll be following, as well as information about the written collaboration agreement and the collaborating physician. So that's it. That's the video for today. The short answer of whether or not a nurse practitioner can operate their own independent practice with less than 3,600 hours of experience is yes, you can, which is awesome. This is great news. You can set that business up, you can get started. You just want to make sure that you're following those written practice protocols and that you have that collaborating practice agreement in place with your collaborating physician, and you'll be good to go. So that's it. That's the video for today. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and I'll keep making them.